Hi, I'm Jagan Krishnaraj, LMF designer. In this video, I'll quickly explain the LMF workshop course curriculum. In the LMF workshop, I help you create one-page lead magnet website that sounds exactly like this, and I help you create a lead magnet app. And there is an inbuilt lead magnet system. I help you set up this, and this lead magnet system works in your phone. I help you set up this on your phone. So LMF workshop is a 5-day workshop that starts on a Wednesday morning 7 a.m. and ends on a Sunday. I'll quickly explain what we do on all those 5 days. On day one, I help you decide a great domain name using this LMF formula and help you register it with GoDaddy. And I also talk about why cloud hosting is the future, and I also help you to set up free AWS cloud hosting for 3 months. So by the end of the first day, you will have your domain name and your cloud hosting ready. On day 2, I will help you to install a lifetime free SSL certificate on your cloud hosting, and I also help you to install the lead magnet WordPress template. This is the exact template that you will be setting up. So by the end of day 2, you will have a WordPress template running on your cloud hosting, ready to accept leads. On day 3, I'll help you edit the WordPress template. So this is the WordPress template that you will be editing. You will not do any coding. There will be a text file. You will edit the text file in the text editor. You will find this exact texts in this text editor. You will change it according to your requirements. So the beauty of this text file is, in whatever language you put this text file, the website will come in that language. So this website is multiple languages ready. And I also help you to set up the inbuilt lead management system on your website. So by the end of day 3, you will know how to edit this lead magnet template to your requirements, add sections, remove sections. You will know how to edit this lead magnet template, and you will have this lead management system ready to accept the leads. And on the day 4, I help you set up this an installable Android and iOS app from your website. So the app icon, the app name, these are the things that you will learn to edit in the day 4. And I help you use the lead management system to respond to leads from your mobile phone. So I help you set up this lead management system on your mobile phone on day 4. So by the end of day 4, you will have your apps ready to be installed, and you will know how to use this lead management system to respond to leads instantly. So so what we have created so far is the tools. If you already have a website running that collects leads, you just replace what we have created so far in that, and you will know you will get instant increase in the number of leads that you are getting. So I gave you all the tools in day 4 itself. So these are just the tools, and on the final day, I will explain how to use these tools to drive results for your business. So on day 5, I will tell you how to create great content using this lead magnet formula for your website. And I also share some secrets for you to use this lead magnet formula on social media to drive traffic to your the website that we have created so far. And you will see that if you do that properly, you will know you will get constant leads on your website. You will get at least 5 to 10 leads every week if you implement this content strategy. So I'll also tell you how to convert those leads to customers. For example, this lead management system is what I use to handle thousands and thousands of leads. For example, you will get leads. So suppose if someone fills up your leads using in your website, suppose if someone puts their WhatsApp number here and sends it, it will come here. And what you will do is just click one button. You will see a contact number here and there is a button here. You will just click this and it automatically opens WhatsApp, and you can just paste this Control V. You can send the message and you can see the message is received. That's how simple it is, and you can do that in the mobile also. So how quickly you respond, I'll send you. Paste. See, the message is sent. How quickly you respond to leads determines whether you convert them to the customers, convert that lead into a customer or not. So I help you use these tools, use this lead management system, use this lead magnet website to help you drive leads first, and I also help you to use this lead management system to convert them to customers. This is what I am doing perfectly fine for the thousands of leads on my website. I'll give you this system. You put this to use to drive results for your business. So this is what happens in all 5 days.